everyone and welcome to our platform that is Pendulum EDU, and in this session we are having a discussion for vocabulary from the article from this newspaper, that is the Hindu, and the article that we have for you today is this, which is based on the economy. So it is economic based, right? Because if you see articles that have been asked are either socio-economic based or economic based, or you can say politically, or maybe something science, or maybe relevant to history. So this one is course contraction on slowing economy. So what is the reason behind the contraction of the economy or the slowing economy? Probably they're discussing that. Let's dig in deep and तभी हमको पता लगेगा what the article is all about. It says, as output and demand slow, India must retain twin focus. Retain is a verb. It means to manage having. Okay, to manage what it has. To retain the twin focus. तो क्या retain करना है, क्या manage करना है? Focus को retain करना है, रखना है. Okay. On the pandemic and economy. So दोनों को एक साथ balanced growth, economy को balanced growth चाहिए और pandemic से हमें balance equally fight करना है उतने ही power के साथ. So we have to give twin focus. So output in the 8 core industries suffer an overall contraction for a third straight month in May, shrinking 23.4%. Now, shrinking is a verb which means to reduce. कोई चीज़ जब कम होती है या छोटी हो जाती है, like our clothes usually shrink, right? As the pandemic-induced lockdown means this is, see, there is a hyphen used here. So induced here is termed to be जिसके वजह से something has happened. Okay. Now induced generally it is a verb and it means to bring into. ठीक है, कोई चीज को इम्प्लीमेंट करना या किसी चीज को इम्पोज करना, उस चीज को काम में लाना. सो अब पैंडेमिक के आने की वजह से या होने की वजह से क्या हुआ है? लॉकडाउन kept large parts of the economy shuttered. So large parts of economy shuttered here, kept economy shuttered here, it means closed, बंद रखा गया है. Okay. The Commerce Ministry's provisional figures show of the 8, all but one posted declines in production compared with a year earlier, with 6 sectors witnessing double-digit drops. Witnessing means experiencing. This is a verb, okay, जो witness कर रहे हैं या वो झेल रहे हैं, right? Yeah, you can say going through. Steel and cement were the worst hit, slumping 48.4 and 22.2 respectively. Slumping is a verb and it means dropping. In Hindi you can say जब कोई चीज़ decline होती है तो आप कहते हैं गिरता है, गिरावट आना, right? Respectively, as construction activity and infrastructure projects remain mostly stalled. Stall means they were there, like intact. They were like closed. एक तरह से ठप पड़े रहे वो, ठीक है? Refinery products with the largest weight in the index, contributing 28%, contracted 21.3%. Contracted is a verb which means they actually came down, नीचे आ जाना. And how it has impacted from 20 to 21.3, as the curbs on vehicular movement stymied the demand for automobile fuels. Now, curbs matlab रोक. Curb is a noun which means stop on something or to prevent something, रोक लगाना. So किस चीज पे रोक लगी है? Vehicular movement पर. So this curb on vehicular movement has actually stymied the demand. Stymied the demand means it has actually prevented. It is a verb here. Prevented, or it has restricted the demand for automobile fuels. I'm writing it here on the top. This is a verb. It means to prevent or restrict. So if it is given in past, I'm writing it in past. Restricted or prevented. So इस पर भी रोक लगा दी गई है. Now, and crude oil and natural gas continue the slide, adding to the problems dogging India's hydrocarbon exploration and production industry. Now, dogging मतलब होता है to clearly or closely observe something. किसी चीज को बहुत closely observe करना. It's a verb. ठीक है. जैसे किसी चीज पर हम कहते हैं ना निगाह रखना. So यहाँ पर what is it doing to the adding to the problems dogging जिस पर India's hydrocarbon exploration and production industry, उसको देखते हुए if we look at it, अगर उस पर हम देखें, so it is crude oil और natural gas का जो slide है which is the down slide, वो और problems add कर रहा है इस situation को. That is India's hydrocarbon exploration and production industry. Moving ahead, it says coal production also fell for a second straight month, declining 14% as a lack of demand for electricity from the nation's factories depressed power production as well as a need for the key thermal plant fuel. So there was a need, okay, this was a need, and because of the lack of demand for electricity from the nation's factories, there's a depressed power production. Okay, and there's no demand for the thermal plant fuel as well. So there's another trouble for us, and that this is the reason that the coal production has fallen and it has declined to 14%. Now this is the phrase that you need to be well aware of, that is lack of demand. Why? Because this preposition is of great usage. You have to be aware that generally what happens in sentence improvement or error spotting, there might be an error based on this or the usage of this preposition. Lack in demand, okay, lack to demand, lack for demand. So you have to remember it has lack of demand for electricity. So this has to be taken or into notice. Output of electricity fell 15.6%, a slight improvement from April's 23% slump. Slump is a noun here, it means the downfall. हम already slumping की बात कर चुके हैं, so it is the same, that is गिरावट. Aided by the partial easing. Aided, that is a verb which means helped. Aid is to help, okay, किसी का मदद करना. Aided by the partial easing of restrictions and peak summer consumption by household. The only silver lining came from the fertilizer industry. Now, silver lining means उम्मीद की किरण, like something positive amid all the negativity. Something positive amid all the negativity. If something positive happens, that is a silver lining. Okay, it's a phrase. It's a noun here. I'm writing it down. Yes. So silver lining came from which industry? That is the fertilizer industry, as the production rose 7.5%, reversing the slump seen in the preceding 2 months. जो पिछले 2 महीनों में जो गिरावट देखी गई थी, that is, it has recovered and it has rose to 7.5%. And signaling robust activity in the agriculture sector. Signaling means it is referring or it is pointing out. It is a verb. Robust is an adjective which means strong. Okay, in Hindi you can say something that is mazboot or ठोस. Robust activity in the agriculture sector. At the start of the Kharif season, the finance ministry had on June 23 cited which is a verb. It means stated. A near doubling in fertilizer sales in May as indicative of. Indicative of means as a suggestive. It is an adjective. जब आप indicate करते हो किसी चीज की तरफ इशारा करते हो. Of early green shoots of economic revival. A promising and early start to this year's monsoon bodes well for the crucial farm income dependent rural economy. It says that a promising and early start to this year's monsoon. अगर आप देखें, so bodes is a verb. It is saying that because of the early monsoon, it can be predicted. So bodes is that future foretell, or you can say future prediction. For the crucial farm, उनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा होगा. It will be well for them. The above average quantity and improved spatial distribution of rainfall. Spatial is an adjective which relates to space. So there has been spatial distribution of rainfall in June. Have spurred a sharp jump. Spurred means moved, or it's a verb, okay? Spurred a sharp jump in Kharif sowing, with the area sown as on June 26 more than doubling compared with a year earlier to 315.6 lakh hectares. There's a comparison stated here as compared to the previous year. It further says that with the pandemic and the lockdown having sent lakhs of people back to their rural homes from jobs in the cities, a strong uptick in the economic activity. This is a noun which means a slight increase. So there's a slight increase in the economic activity across hinterland is significant. Hinterland is a noun which means the remote areas of our country. Okay, जिसे आप कहते हो जो आंतरिक areas होते हैं. Okay, remote areas. Still, much will depend on the monsoon staying its course. Also, there is a danger to the farm sector, especially in western, central and northern India this year from locust swarms. So this has also impacted our country, okay? So amid the pandemic, this was also one such thing that we have faced other than the hurricane, okay? The Food and Agriculture Organization had in its June 27 update warned that India would need to remain on high alert through July for the possible arrival of swarms from North Africa. The latest PMI data from researcher IHS Markit also paints a less than promising outlook. It also gives you a promising outlook or a view for manufacturing, which contracted again in June, although at a softer pace. Now, albeit is a conjunction which means although. Now, this is no different word, simple word which is equivalent to although. It is a conjunction. In Hindi, you can say it is halaki. The June survey showed sharp reductions in output, new orders, and employment. Policymakers must not only contain COVID-19's tearaway spread, but also simultaneously keep economic momentum from sliding further. So they should keep it up so that it doesn't go or falter downwards further. Sliding is a verb. Okay. Tearaway is a noun. COVID-19's tearaway means it's this condition of tearing apart, or the situation of tearing apart. Okay, that is tear away. So these were the words in this article. I believe this point that we have discussed for the grammar point of view, that is understood, and the words that we've discussed are also understood. Now we've discussed numerous words. As you can see, the screen is full of it. So do not forget to practice the synonyms and antonyms for them. And if you have new words, or you can frame a sentence using any of these words, you can comment below and let us know. Also, if you like the session, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more such sessions. I shall see you soon in the next session. Thank you so much.